Okay, this is the second time I filmed this video because the first time I did it in slow motion, which was cool, as you can see, but you couldn't hear any audio about what I was saying. And what I was saying was this motor, the very last video I said, don't trust anybody that says it ran when I put it away. When someone says it ran when I put it away, it ran when somebody bought it from the store, and then something catastrophic happened and they put it away and it hasn't run since. I think that the lady that sold me this one for, I think it was 50 bucks, actually was telling the truth, because I went to check everything out. It had spark. Everything looked good. The coils looked good. The spark looked good. The gas and carburetor looked good. So the only thing I had to do with it is I accidentally, when I was checking the impeller, which this has a kind of a wobbler impeller, because normally I thought it was going to be all busted up, rotted out rubber impeller like the Elgin had. But this one, I don't know why they all weren't made like this. It was an oval shaped metal disc in a little rubber container, but the rubber didn't get worn. So when it wobbled, it would suck up water and push it out, like you can see here. And it doesn't look like it's ever going to need to be replaced. So I don't know why all these outboards don't have something like that. But then I put the water in it and I started it up, and these things are like fine Swiss watches. They just run and they sound good and they're beautiful. So I'll show you here. I have water in it. I'm only going to run it for a second, but this thing usually starts up really good. Gas is on. We'll see how it goes. Super nice. Sounds good. Rev it up. Like I say, I don't want to run it a lot because, believe it or not, when I hit it, it pushes all the water out of my little bucket. I got to get a better bucket or earmuffs. But yeah, this thing just wants to run. It is pretty cool, but it's such a great little motor. It's just such a fine piece of machinery. When I was in it, the gas lines are all metal, so those, there's really no issues with those. It's just a really, really great little motor that I'm super excited to have. So this is the Martin 60. Really a dream to kind of not even work on, but to take apart. Oh, when I did take apart the bottom end, because I pulled the drive shaft out accidentally when I was looking at the impeller, I ended up having to take apart the whole bottom end to line everything up so I could get it back in. And in that, I did see that they had used the wrong grease, packed grease into the bottom end gears, and it wasn't a light enough grease to kind of spin around and get in all the nooks and crannies. So we switched that out with some John Deere Cornhead green grease, which I think is the right grease to have in the bottom of it. But at least it's better than the ones that they had in there. But I do think it's the right one. So yeah, that's all I had to do with it. So maybe some people are honest about it ran when I put it away. So this thing is great. I do now just need a little boat to put it on, and I'd love to take her out for a spin. So thanks for watching.